How to save TikTok drafts to camera roll. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to save TikTok drafts to camera roll. So let's begin. The very first option is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply click on Open TikTok and then click on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then choose your draft that you want to save, press on it, and then click on Next right here. So be careful not to click Post right ahead. So you just simply make sure to edit who can watch this video and choose only me. So again, under who can watch this video, choose only me since we will be posting it, and then make sure that we can see it by ourselves only. And then click on more options right here and turn on save to device. So again, turn on save to device and then press the X button right here. Click on post found on the lower right corner of the screen and wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, as you can see, private video uploaded. So once you go back to profile, go to your private videos, and then you may be able to see that here. Then, as you go to your photos or to your gallery, you may be able to see your video there as well. So that's it. That's how you can save TikTok drafts to camera roll. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.